Hello there, I'm Janette Lane, a craft designer at CraftStash, and in today's video I wanted to share the latest release from Pretty Quick, which are these scene card kits. And we're really excited about these kits because they're not just dies inside. You get stamps, you get foam tape, you get sequins, you get cardstock. So they're really great, and I wanted to show you my favorite three. There are 5 designs total on the CraftStash website, so you can take a look at those. And I will have that linked for you in the video description. But I also wanted to share not only what's inside of each of the kits, because it's an amazing value, like the prices, like they're unbelievable. But I also wanted to share what the CraftStash design team has made so that you can be inspired and see just what you can do with these kits. They're so versatile, and the cards that you can create are on the 3D side, and so you can make some really impactful and impressive Christmas cards this holiday season. So let's jump into looking at those 3 kits. The first one we're going to unbox is the Bethlehem Scene Kit. Alright, so the kit comes in this bag, and let me set it aside because it's a little bit reflective. And right off the bat, I see some foam tape, hooray, which is what you need if you want to make some dimensional cards, and that's what you can do with these Pretty Quick scene dies. So we've got the dies here. So it comes with 3 dies to create your scene, and then this little, of course you need the Christmas star. And let me show these on the close-up. So we have the 2 Bethlehem City silhouette dies, and you can of course die cut these and layer them. But we also have the coordinating stamp set, which is perfect if you want to do some stamping and die cutting. And we've got some beautiful sentiments to add to your card. So we have wishing you peace and joy at Christmas time, Jerusalem, Merry Christmas, Bethlehem, and then we have the star stamp and also a little moon, and then a star, a sprinkle star scatter stamp as well. And of course you can use the sequin pack, which is silver sequin pack, which is really great to create shaker cards or just to embellish your card fronts. And I'm also really excited about the fact that these kits come with card blanks, which are white, which you can never have enough white cardstock, period. So you can get straight into crafting. So this is the first make by our CraftStash design team member, Lisa Plummer, aka Crafting Diva. So you can find her on YouTube under Crafting Diva, but look at this tag. It's absolutely stunning. I love the beautiful background that she's made. And I loved how she just embellished the bottom of the tag with the sequins. Here's another card from our own Crafting Diva, and I love the shaker element on the front, and she's also used the coordinating stamps and dies. This is so elegant. I love the color palette that she's used. And I'm really loving this card from Lisa as well because she gave it more of a masculine feel, so it'd be perfect for a masculine Christmas make. And I love the silhouette of the city, and she's used some foam tape. She's used a foam tape in the kit to give it a dimensional look and to really make that city pop. And then we also have these beautiful cards by design team member Leslie Pyle, and she's used the snow globe kit, which is pictured here. And this kit comes with 3 dies as well, so you get the outline globe die, the outside scene die, the inside scene die, and you get 4 white card blanks, which are sized to 5x7. So again, loving that white cardstock that comes with the kit. And you also get the silver sequins, the foam tape, and the accompanying coordinating stamp set, which has some wonderful sentiments like Winter Wonderland and Winter Wishes. Next, I wanted to unbox the Nativity Scene Kit. So this one is so pretty. And again, it comes with the sequins, the foam tape, the card blanks, the coordinating stamps, and dies. So look how beautiful this is. So we have the stable scene, and then Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus. So pretty. And you can die cut these and layer them up to create 3-dimensional scenes, which are perfect, which would look so beautiful for a mantle. I think what makes the Nativity Scene my favorite is the stamp set that's included, the coordinating stamp set, because it's really detailed, and I wanted to show you that up close. So we have Joseph and Mary, and then we have the stable stamp. We have the 3 wise men. So we have 2 versions of them on the camels and then off the camels with their gifts. And I also love these sentiments, which are peace on earth, O holy night, Merry Christmas, and joy to the world. And the last one that I'm going to share is the window scene. I really love the mantle and also the Christmas tree. I don't know, it's just so cozy. It's such a cozy scene. So here's what's in the kit. So again, we have those card blanks to get you started, and then we have the foam tape, the sequins, and the dies, which coordinate, which you can layer and coordinate and make some beautiful 3D scenes. And look how cozy. So cozy. Now for this die, we have these little itty bitty stockings at the top, so you'll just have to trim that die off, or you can probably twist them off, but just take some sharp scissors and trim those off carefully to get your little stockings to hang on your mantle. And let me show you this stamp set up close, and it coordinates with the scene perfectly. You can layer up those stamps and dies. So let me show you the stamp set up close. So there are 11 elements on this stamp set. Look at the little puppy, little sleeping puppy. So we have the little lights that you can drape on either the Christmas tree or the mantle. And also we have those beautiful sentiments. So we have with love from our home to yours, warm wishes, and look at that cute little girl with the presents. I hope that you enjoyed taking a closer look at the pretty quick scene card kits and also the inspiration from the design team, which is stunning. And don't forget to check out the full collection on the CraftStash website. These are currently priced at $8.99, so they would make great gifts for yourself and also as stocking stuffers for a crafty friend. I'm Janette Lane for CraftStash, and I'll see you real soon.